raise your right hand. You, Marivic M. Pareha, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Cyrus Zimmerman Duterte
Ms. Pareha, you are excused. Kindly send our regards to Cesar over there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we thank you for your time and for coming over. Thank you for your patience as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Impeachment Court, the prosecution calls Ms. Marivic M. Pareha.
The clerk of court, through the sergeant at arms, is directed to kindly situate Ms. Marivic Pareha to the witness stand. Kindly place the witness under oath, clerk of court.
Please raise your right hand. You, Marivic M. Pareha, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Cyrus Zimmerman Duterte shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, I do.
Kindly be seated, Ma'am Marivic.
Your
Attorney
Honors,
Suwan, you're recognized to make your offer.
Your Honors, before we proceed with the offer of testimony, we respectfully manifest that we are distributing copies to all the senator judges of our offer of testimony. And we also request that this be flashed on the screen for the convenience of the senators and the viewing public. Your Honor, we only have 4 offers for the testimony of witness Pareha, Your Honor. Your Honor, the testimony of witness Marivic M. Pareha is being offered to prove the following. Number 1, she has been an employee of the House of Representatives for the past 27 years and has, for the last 8 years up to the present, served as the Service Director of the Legislative Archives and Museum Management Service, or Archives, of the House of Representatives. Number 2, the Archives is the official repository of all records of the House of Representatives, including those that were transmitted to it by the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, or CGGPA, in connection with the committee's hearings conducted from September 18, 2024 to December 9, 2024, and is responsible for the storage, preservation, retrieval, and release of certified true copies of such records and the issuance of certifications. Number 3, the identity of the following documents that were received by the Archives for storage and custody as transmitted by the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability relative to its September 18, 2024 to December 9, 2024 committee hearings. Your Honor, may we be allowed to flash on the screen these documents as I am enumerating them?
Before you proceed, Counsel, let me be the one to do it. Would Attorney Lyndon be willing to stipulate insofar as the current position of the witness in the House is concerned relative to offers 1 and 2 of the Council?
Yes, Your Honor, stipulated.
Second, Counsel, the Honorable Suwan, you will only be presenting documents you enumerated in your offer, namely P Roman numeral number 1-26A, up to P Roman numeral number 1-26L1. May I ask, insofar as your pre-marked documents P-Roman numeral number 1-3 up to P Roman numeral -1-25I-1, these were not part of the documents you requested this court to take judicial notice of, which we are more than willing to do because they're of the same nature. And since you're not presenting it to this witness, would you want to make the corresponding motion for us to take judicial notice of those documents? Again, to reiterate, P-Roman numeral number 1-3 up to P-Roman numeral number 1-25-I-1. Mostly, these are documents pertaining to documents submitted to the House pertaining to the Ombudsman case and the counter affidavits of some of the respondents in that case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you'd have no intention of presenting those documents anymore.
We do, Your Honor, and judicial notice would be much appreciated.
Kindly ask for it because it is not part of those that we can give judicial notice of in a mandatory manner. So you are asking for judicial notice for the documents I mentioned.
Yes, Your Honor, the prosecution moves.
Any objection on the part of the respondent? Again, just as to the existence of these documents, as to the fact that they were submitted before the House of Representatives, not as to the truth or relevance of these documents to these proceedings. Counsel?
Stipulated, Your Honor. We have no objection as regards the motion to take judicial notice of these documents.
Court therefore makes an order that the documents inclusive from P-Roman numeral number 1-3 to P-Roman numeral number 1-25I-1 are all taken judicial notice of. Copies are therefore directed to be furnished to all the senator judges for their information and reference. Again, as to the fact that these are part of the official records of the House, duly submitted to them, and that they form part of the records forming the House deliberations and hearings. Now, next, Honorable Suwan, insofar as these documents you presented are concerned, again, these are all submissions to the House, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
May I hear from counsel for respondent, Attorney Lyndon? Are you willing to stipulate as to these documents that they intend to present through the witness, Attorney Pareja? Again, only as to the fact that they were submitted to the House, part of the official records of the House, and that in the performance of her regular duties, that these are within her custody, and that she performed her duties in the regular course of events.
We stipulate, Your Honor, as regards the transmittal of these documents to the department of the witness, Your Honor.
And that she is in possession and custody of these documents
Yes, Your Honor.
as part of the official records of the hearings of the House.
Yes, Your Honor.
Honorable Suwan, since it has been stipulated by the council, would there be anything else? Again, just for clarity, Attorney Lyndon, we are referring to previously marked documents P-Roman numeral number 1-26-A up to P Roman numeral number 1-26-L-1. A total of 11 documents. I think you've been furnished with a copy?
No, Your Honor. We have not
Kindly
been
furnish
a copy.
opposing counsel with a copy. And it's also being flashed on the screen, counsel.
If I may, Your Honor.
Yes, Honorable Suwan.
For the record, may we be allowed to identify these documents that defense has agreed to stipulate upon?
Yes, you can. You're referring
viewing
to P-Roman numeral number 1-3 up to P-Roman numeral number 1-25-I-1.
No, Your Honor.
Which
we are
one?
referring to P-Roman numeral 1-26-A.
The ones on the screen.
Yes, Your Honor. For the viewing public and for the record.
Yes, you may read the documents, all 11 of them. For the information of the council as well and the senator judges while the council is going over it. You may
Thank you,
proceed,
Your
Honorable Swan.
Thank you, Your Honor. So the first document is the letter of Vice President Sara Z. Duterte to Honorable Joel Chua, Chairperson of the CGGPA, dated September 23, 2024, where the Vice President informed the committee that she will not attend the deliberations of the CGGPA and requested to terminate the inquiry. The second document is the letter of Attorney Zulaika T. Lopez, Undersecretary and Chief of Staff, OVP, to Honorable Joel R. Chua, Chairperson, CGGPA, dated October 7, 2024, where Attorney Zulaika Lopez responded to the show cause order issued by the CGGPA to explain her failure to attend or respond to the invitations of the committee. Number 3, the letter of Edward D. Fajarda to Honorable Joel Chua, Chairperson of the CGGPA, dated October 7, 2024, where Edward Fajarda responded to the show cause order issued by the CGGPA to explain his failure to attend or respond to the invitations of the committee. Number 4, letter of Attorney Rosalyn Sanchez, Director, Administrative and Financial Service Office, OVP, to Honorable Joel Chua, Chairperson of the CGGPA, dated October 7, 2024, where OVP Director Rosalyn Sanchez responded to the show cause order issued by the CGGPA to explain her failure to attend or respond to the invitations of the committee. Your Honor, we also manifest that these documents have been previously marked, and the current one has been marked as P-Roman numeral 1-26-D as shown on the screen, Your Honor, as well as the previous document. May we show the certification on the screen, Your Honor?
It's not so much the certification, but I guess without prejudice to proof being presented by counsel for the respondents that these are not faithful reproductions of the original on file, then we can presume regularity. Correct, counsel?
We are amenable to that proposition, Your Honor.
We can presume regularity, Honorable Suwan, unless proof later on during cross at any stage of the trial is presented regarding the inaccuracy of these documents. We can already, counsel is willing to stipulate, thereby dispensing again with this witness.
Your Honor, so
Who's speaking? Yes, Honorable Suwan.
if counsel is willing to stipulate as to the certification, then for the record, may we have the certification marked as P-Roman numeral 1-26? It has already been marked previously.
It's been
Your
marked,
Honor.
yes.
Yes. Just for the record.
Thank you. So, can we dispense with this witness, Honorable Suwan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Pareja, you are excused. Kindly send our regards to Cesar over there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we thank you for your time and for coming over. Thank you for your patience as well.
Thank you, sir.
Call your next witness, the Honorable Chua. If you're going to be the one to stand up, call your next witness, Honorable Chua.